Welcome to our guide on how to clean your mattress effectively. Keeping your mattress clean is key to ensuring a hygienic sleep environment. Follow these easy steps to clean your mattress. Start by vacuuming the mattress to remove dust, hair, and other particles. This basic step is essential for keeping your mattress clean and allergen-free. For any visible stains, gently apply a solution made of 1 teaspoon of mild detergent mixed with 1 cup of warm water, using a soft cloth. It's important to dab rather than rub to protect the mattress fibers and prevent the stain from spreading. Next, deodorize by sprinkling baking soda over the entire surface of your mattress. Let it sit for a few hours to absorb moisture and odors, then vacuum it off. This leaves your mattress smelling clean and fresh. With these simple steps, your mattress will stay fresh and inviting. And if you're looking for even less maintenance, a puffy mattress could be the ideal solution. They're designed for easy cleaning, so you can spend more time resting and less time stressing.